a 2001, nope, that's not, 2021 Jeep. A friend of mine said that she's got a little issue, and that is the issue we are going to be working on today. We're heading back over to the shop, and we'll get this thing handled. We're back at the shop, and to let you all know, another little update with it. I did replace the battery to it before, but now we need to get down there to this other battery. I have a battery for it, but I need to really get the size off of there to make sure it's the right one. I don't know about you, but that battery I have over here looks a bit small. So I'm gonna get going over here, and then I'll let you all know what we got. Now, she did state that there was a check engine light, but I did not see the check engine light, and she did say it went off before, and it came back on and went off. I'm gonna go with like an O2 sensor problem, but could be something else, so let's check it out. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, I believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.